What's up, you guys? Legends Repair, back again with another video. Okay, it's been quite a while since I've been doing any videos. It's been a lot of stuff going on work wise, so yeah, I just want to hop back up here and just show you guys, some of the stuff that I've been doing since I've been gone. I actually been doing something quite interesting. Some of you guys may be interested in some of the stuff that I've been doing. If you got any questions, please leave that down below, okay? So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Hopefully you guys think it's pretty cool. I actually been doing some little builds, okay? Something a little out of my comfort zone from my technical skills, but gonna show you guys what I've been working on, okay? Yeah, so let me hop up and we'll see what it is, okay? Here we go. Alright, you guys, so here's what I've been working on since I've been gone. As you can see, okay, this is my pride and joy. I'm gonna show you what this side of the case looks like, okay? And I'm gonna show you this side, okay? This is what the inside of it looks like. That's the tower, okay? And that's my RAM. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM in it. It's got the RGB fans, okay? And that's the Asus 1060 4 gigabyte memory card, okay? That's the fans right there, the GIM fans, okay? And I'm gonna just go through the color modes of the computer case to give you guys a idea. This computer case came from off of Amazon, okay? I'm gonna just go through some of those colors for you, okay? All right, there's one color. All right, there's another. All right, that's a strobe effect. Okay. All right, I'm gonna cut the lights off. Maybe you guys can get a better look at it. Okay, show you guys what it actually looked like at night. Okay, you guys can see that pretty good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is a pretty nice case. This case I run you will set you back about $53 plus tax, okay? Those are the different colors that it changes from. That's pretty cool. You can see it's going through multiple colors as it scroll. Then it'll do that mode. And it's going in the opposite direction. And then it'll go back and do that. That's pretty cool, okay? And like I said, this case will set you back about $53, okay? Alright, those are the solid color. It sort of looks kind of orange up here and yellow in here, and maybe a little green or yellow down here. That's the way it looks on the camera as I'm looking in it, okay? Well, let me go through it one more time real quick. Alright, so that's a solid color. That. Yep. And that's like that's a regular scroll, as you guys can see. Alright, let me click this one. Alright, that's like a maybe like some kind of slow effect of something. I really don't know what you would actually call that, okay? And then we're gonna click it. All right, that's another mode where it's like maybe sort of bouncing around. Okay. All right, this is gonna go from green to the different colors. Like I said, this is a $53 case. All right, that's doing all of this cool stuff. Okay. And I built this computer myself from scratch. Okay, we got that mode. Let's watch it again. You can see it changing the different colors. Okay. All right, it just reversed on you. Okay. All right, now we're back to the solid colors. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the one that I had it on, because that's the color I like to keep it. Okay. But yeah, this is what I've been working on lately. I actually have already built 3 computers. I really don't know what I want to do yet. What I really plan to do. May do a giveaway coming soon. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. Yeah, maybe doing a giveaway soon. Don't know, you know, we got to get these subscribers up so we can get some extras for to put towards these videos so that we can make this stuff happen. Okay, but anyway, I just want to give you guys just a little life update, show you what I've been working on since I've been away from the bike riding community. Okay, I know that's what you guys been watching me. I've been doing a lot of the bike videos, but it's been quite a while since I got out there and was able to do a lot of stuff, because I'm actually, my job sort of kind of changed up a little bit, but we're working along with it. Okay, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a little clip of what I've been doing since I've been away from, you know, riding a bike. Okay, I'm still at it, still just trying to make it do what it do. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna catch you guys on the next one. All right, we out.